Temu honest review. I mean, like, for real, for real. I will be applying my press-ons tonight. The quality of the Temu nail, not thin by far. Because I know a lot of people think that, like, the shipping takes forever. You need to make sure you're doing this. Do the pink ones. That was a trick that I had to learn so that you guys don't have to go through that.
The ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What's up, guys? I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to Living for Shayon. In today's vlog, we are going to be doing a Temu honest review. I mean, like, for real, okay? I will be applying my press-ons tonight. Gotta get something on these fingers, okay? If you haven't checked out this nail haul, then make sure you guys go watch that. Thank you for all the love I got on that, and shout out to Temu as well. I got so many questions after that last vlog, like, Shayon, what do I put in the search? Shayon, what is that code I need to use? Shayon, how do I be a Temu affiliate? All of those things. So in today's vlog, I'm going to be dropping some gems on how to get wonderful press-ons that look like this. Super thick, very high quality for under $10 on Temu, okay? Let's put on these nails, y'all. Which one do you think I should do? You think I should do the pink or you think I should do these? Drop in the comments which ones y'all like, okay? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, and we're gonna jump into it. All right, guys, so I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and do the pink ones. I have a lot of stuff going on at work, so I need to be able to really maneuver, and I think I'm gonna save these for like a weekend or like one of my events or something I have coming up. First of all, if you have never used the Temu app before, it was super easy to download. You just literally download it from your app store, sign up, you instantly get coupons like as soon as you sign up. Make sure you guys use my code as well. Also, if you're new to Temu, you will get an additional discount on these press-ons or other items that you guys want to get. So one of the things when I do my press-ons is, and I think a lot of people forget, is that you have to like file your real nail, okay? That's a step that a lot of people forget that I try not to. The one thing I loved about these nails, y'all, was that all the nails came like in a cute little plastic case. They all came with their own filer. They also came with these little sticky things in case you don't like glue, and they also came with a cuticle stick. I always go through and literally just file my nail first and foremost, and like just push my cuticles back a little bit. I like to go ahead and do them all at one time, honey, because press-ons don't take that much time to do. But the quality of the Temu nails is what I really like. They're super thick, just like the ones that I get from, you know, when I pay for custom press-ons or when I get them sponsored from different brands. These are by far some of the thickest nails I have gotten. Those are thick. Like, they are thick. They are not thin by far. Also get a lot of gemstones, which I love. Even these, they're super simple, but the design on there, baby, I would have been paying almost $200 to get them, and they're short, okay? But the quality is very good. Also, one of the tricks that I told you guys in the last vlog, that's why y'all need to go watch the last vlog. What do you put in the search to pull up those kind of nails? Because I don't see them. And the key to doing that is putting in handmade press-on nails, okay? You have to put in handmade. If not, you're just gonna get those regular press-ons that everybody got. You need to be putting in handmade because those will pull up the good quality nails. That was a trick that I had to learn so that you guys don't have to go through that, okay? So I just pushed all my cuticles back, as you guys can see. And I'm literally just gonna pop these off and pop some glue on them. Get some of this pink glue left from one of my nail sponsorships. So I'm just gonna use this. So now I'm just applying the glue directly onto the nail. I am so glad like I found this little Temu plug. I just put some glue directly onto the nail, and I'm just gonna push it under my cuticle a little bit. So another big trick that I use when I order my press-ons is because I know a lot of people think that like the shipping takes forever. Oh, those are cute. But the key is, and one thing that I do like about Temu is that Temu has an option, and a lot of people do not know this, and you need to make sure you're doing this. You need to make sure you're doing this. Make sure that you're selecting from local distribution center. I didn't even know Temu had that. There's an option where, of course, you can get their regular ship stuff and get it in the time frame that it takes Temu, or you can select the option where you only see stuff that's available in a local distribution center, which is like closest to you. So you're able to get your stuff way sooner. I do love that Temu does give you credits if they miss their deadline on delivery now. I thought that was very good because out of all the bad reviews they had, most of them was simply because of the shipping. So I am glad that they put something in place for consumers so that in case their stuff does not come on time or at the projected time, then they can be compensated for that in some way. These are perfect because the top part is actually really dark. Like, look at that. Like, you don't even see my real nail under there, okay? I love that, love that. So I wanted to give you guys a better angle so you can actually see what I'm doing. But yeah, I love that about Temu. Like, having that distribution center option is great. Having those things in place for consumers to be credited for that is great. They also have hassle-free returns as well as refunds. So I love that. They don't really give you a hard time. Just ship it back and they'll, you know, do what they got to do on their end to make sure you get credited. So I love that. So look at those, y'all. Those are so freaking cute. Like, you would never know they are press-ons. And like I said, they are thick, like super thick. You can see the thickness on them. I love these. These are fire. These are fire. They are so cute. I love them. I love that the nails aren't like super fat on my fingers. I think that is so freaking cute. So right here, guys, I just wanted to show you that these nails, all of their nails actually come in a wide variety of sizes. They have from extra small all the way up to large. So no matter what nail size you have, I'm sure that you can find something that fits your finger really, really nicely. By my fingers being so small, I absolutely loved having the extra small option. And when I buy nails I know I like, I get one small, one extra small. That way I got a backup, plan B, C, and D. Enjoy, guys. So this is the final product. They look so good. I absolutely love them. Make sure you guys use this code on the screen when you shop, as well as if you are interested in being a Temu influencer and you want to get paid to post and to share different links with your followers or your online community or your family and your friends, then I will also leave a link in the description for you to sign up for the affiliate program. Use that direct link. It'll take you on there. Sign up is super easy, so you make sure you guys go check that out as well. So you know I'm always going to give the girls the game and always going to drop the jewels. So shout out to Temu. Love my nails. Make sure you guys use this code. Go download the app if you're a new user. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.
For the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.